Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and it's important for everyone to have the power to do their own landscaping and gardening.
And this KYLIN 6-piece ash handle garden tool set is so perfect. It has a scraper, which is great for scraping off weeds in hard to reach places between the grooves and scrape unwanted goo. The bow rake is made with such high quality metal. It's going to do a great job digging out all the dead grass, weeds, scooping up rock, and being able to spread it all back evenly. The square shovel is a shorter handle but has a great grip at the end. I use it a lot for chopping up browns for my compost. Any ruined produce, I can use it to chop and throw to any wildlife that is hungry. And the wide base is great for shoveling a lot of rock. The level rake has a great flat edge, but helps you to get those hard to reach items that have a lot more density. It pulls, it pushes, mixing your soil. And everyone needs a garden hoe. It is so great for digging up all of the weeds and all the undesirables out of your garden soil. And then last but not least, the spade shovel. This is optimal for getting to the root of the problem when you need to dig up the plants that are no longer producing to prepare for the winter. I love all 6 of these tool sets. They are so useful on the go if you're doing any landscaping jobs. You can store it in your garden wherever you're needing to get work done, or even in your shed. They're so easy to spray off and clean and keep well maintained.
I've used a lot of landscaping tools in my life, and these by far are the best quality and the most beautiful set I have ever found. And that's my point of view.